Annalise, over here. Annalise. Annalise, look. Look, honey. Look, what is that? Hi, baby. Are you showing how big you are? Hold your head up. You're not trying to roll over, are you? Are you talking about your toys? What do you see? You look like you're going to roll over. Oh, over she goes! Yay! Was that funny? You're not so sure? You're not so sure? Come here. Come here. Say up, 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 up. Now stay up here. Stay up here. Let's get that arm out. Look at you, big girl. You going over again? Don't do it. Be careful. Are those cheeks getting heavy? Are those cheeks getting heavy? What are you looking at? Oh? I bet if you push right like this, you're going to roll over again. Oh no! What happened? What happened, honey? Did you roll over? Are you stuck? Come on back up.